watching this video, you have received your France trampoline suspended net and you are now ready to start installation. Check you have received the correct number of eye screws. Trace and pre-drill on the sides of your structure for fixings every 15 centimeters. Place your eye screws all around the structure. Make sure you screw your eye screws all the way up to the eye. Start off your installation by setting up the 8 safety cable ties to pre-position your net. Begin with each corner and then, depending on the shape of your space, place the ties in the middle of each side. To begin with, be careful not to tighten the cable ties until all are in place. Then, progressively tighten each one to stretch the net little by little on each side. Now let's look at how to cut the rope. We advise cutting the rope with a rope cutting gun or by heating a blade with a flame. You may need to recut the extra rope once you have repositioned and stretched the net. Use the blue part of the flame not to blacken the rope. For those of you having chosen single lacing, start with a bowline knot. Place half of the perimeter with your first strand. For a rectangle, as on this video, this will form 2 opposite L-shaped lacings. Finish with a clove hitch knot. Do not hesitate to watch our videos for more information on how to do these knots. For those of you with double lacing, same idea, but this time your first strand will go around the entire shape but skipping 1 out of 2 fixings. You then complete the lacing with the second strand on leftover fixings. Once you have set up your net, you may already see that it needs retightening. In this case, retighten the rope from starting knot to finishing knot. Repeat this as many times as needed for a well-stretched net result.